What I do on these jobs is I mark out in paint the location of different things. So I mark out where the studs are, where the lights are, different outlet locations, plumbing stack locations, and water lines, as well as HVAC registers. That looks like this. You can see where each of the studs are, I have an orange dot. Where there's an outlet box, I have a green dot. Where there's a light up in the ceiling above, I have a green circle. Also, where there's gonna be a blue HVAC register right up there, you can see I have that marked on the ground. For fancier things, you can get really fancy with it. So I have 1, 2, 3 boxes for outlets, then another one right there, and then another one up here for these custom built-ins that we're gonna be doing on this wall, as well as these Smurf tubes. So what have I done? On the ground, I've done green dots. 9 inches to the center of the bottom one, 20 inches, 3.5, 58 inches, 86. And over here for the Smurf tubes, I have it marked at 9 inches and 58. That makes it so that if one of these boxes gets covered up by the drywaller, it is really easy to find. Having the stud locations marked makes it so that when the trim guy, which is usually me, is doing baseboards, they don't have to pull out their stud finder to find where all these different studs are. They can just look where the orange dot is and nail right there, and it makes it so much easier and faster to install the baseboards. Also, by marking where the plumbing stack is in lots of blue, I can know to not put any nails there, because that would be a really, really, really bad day. It would really stink, for lack of better words. This is one of those things that really doesn't take very long to do, but can save you a lot of time on the back end and save you some costly sheetrock repair, as well as getting sheetrock crap in your eyes. That does not feel good. So the less that you're ripping into sheetrock, looking for things and doing search and destroy missions, the better off you are in life. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is a helpful tip to you. It's gonna make your life a lot easier, and watch for more. Thanks, bye.